Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-250 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and freshly detailed so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three spaciously that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can also be locked at the hinge for added security. And in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 61,563 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, your fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and then you can also go into your display mode, where you can look at your digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, tire pressures. And you can also go into your towing, off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, but also Bluetooth and USB, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch fuse, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And above your screen, you have your traction control shut off and your hazards. And then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking brake differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. While down below, you have another 12-volt with a USB and your shelf here for your device while it's charging or plugged in. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode at the end there. Moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this can be lifted up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And underneath that, you have another lockable compartment for even more storage, with some fold-out cup holders like so you can have a ton of room in there with 2 extra cup holders too. So you can have 4 in total if you really want. But then last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. That should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.